Dear students of 10th class, today we shall go through a very interesting short story known as Dusk. It has been written by H. H. Munro, also known as Saki. First of all, I shall give you the introduction of Saki. Saki was a British writer born in Myanmar and educated at Bedford Grammar School in England. In 1893, he followed in his father's footsteps by joining the Indian Imperial Police, where he was posted to Burma. 2 years later, failing health forced his resignation and returned to England, where he started his career as a journalist writing for newspapers. Now, dear students, suppose you meet a stranger who tells you that he has visited your town for the first time. He further tells you that he has lost his wallet and has forgotten the name of the hotel in which he was staying. Would you believe the story and sympathize with him? However, it is only in the end when you will be able to answer this question after going through this story. First of all, I shall be telling you the meaning of some difficult words you may face while going through this lesson. Inscrutable. Inscrutable means mysterious. Unobtrusive, without being noticed. Subtle, not loud, noticeable or obvious in any way. जिसको उर्दू में हम कह सकते हैं सटल का माने है लतीफ, खफीफ. Shabby, dressed in worn out and old clothes. Eloquent, clear, strong and effective in using of a language. Now, dear students, the main theme of the story Dusk is the inscrutability or mysteriousness of human nature. In this story by Saki, we have the theme of appearance, perception, guilt, deception, and self importance. Sitting at the park, Norman Godsby appears to be an individual who judges others. He feels he cannot connect to the people he meets at the park, and the one person whom he does talk to ends up deceiving him. As we come to know that he has fallen for the young man's story, it also suggests that as Godsby's opinion of the young man was wrong, likewise, so too could his opinion of others also be wrong. It seems as if Godsby considers himself to be above others. He only guesses when he thinks about the other people he sees and talks to in the story. In this way, Saki never lets the reader know more than the characters in this story. It was the time of dusk, and the darkness was increasing in the atmosphere. Norman Godsby was sitting on a bench in a town park. A sad looking elderly gentleman was also sitting beside him on the same bench. After some time, the elderly gentleman got up and walked away. His place was immediately taken by a young man. The young man told Godsby that he had come to the town that afternoon. He had to take lodgings at a hotel in an unknown locality. The young man said that he left the hotel to buy a cake of soap for his use. But when he turned his steps back for the hotel, he realized that he had forgotten where the hotel was. Young man said that he was left with only 2 pennies in his pocket and would have to spend the night on the pavement unless some nice person believed his story. and gave him a loan of some money. But when Gatsby asked the young man, "Where is cake of soap?" the young man could not produce any. He said that he must have lost it, saying that Gatsby had not believed his story, and the young man got up from the bench and went away hurriedly. Just after the young man had left, Gatsby saw a nicely wrapped cake of soap lying under the bench. Gatsby thought that the cake of soap must have fallen out from the young man's pocket while he was sitting on the bench. He cursed himself for not believing the young man's story. Gatsby got up from the bench and started looking for the young man. After much effort, he found the young man standing by the side of the road. Gatsby gave him the cake of soap and he had found, and also lent him coin of £1. The young man put the one coin in his pocket and said a word or two of thanks and hurried away. Gatsby came back. While he was passing by the park, he saw a man looking for something under the same bench, as if he had lost anything. Gatsby walked up to him and saw that he was at the same he was the same elderly gentleman who had been sitting with him on the bench. Gatsby asked him if he had lost anything. The elderly gentleman replied, "Yes, sir, a cake of soap. Thank you."